I got this one from charity shop just for 50 pence, but the stop was gifted to me on Christmas when I was playing violin.
Yes, I was learning to play violin a while ago, but that's a story for another day. Today it's all about the bright colors, which this place badly needs after the recent makeover, which you can watch right after this video.
Okay, and so now that I took the Christmas decorations away, this one looks quite bare, so I put the sugar skull, which I made out of clay, remember guys? Put it there, but it just looks so lonely. I wonder how about painting perhaps?
And so I had this canvas board lying around. I usually don't go that small, but it will be just right for where it will go. And so I just needed to get started.
Don't know if you can see, but it's girls. It's girl power, baby. See? It's just a little sketch of what I wanna paint. Okay, and now that I have the main drawing in place, we're gonna add the paints. And so I just put all the colors here, which I will be using to create the background. And yeah, it is pretty dark in here without light. I need to keep the light on. Unfortunately, when there was sun yesterday, it was some sunshine. It was so beautiful and light in here. But today, look, you can't really see anything what you are painting. Okay, so I also have put the brushes here, which I will be using to make the background, and I lately like large brushes, if not then even larger than that, which is like, you know, with a large handle and a nice and soft, easy going, you know, so that I can achieve these loose brush strokes. And we start painting the background. So, Leila's pretty bright, isn't it? I don't know. What do you reckon? Anyways, I've got something grounding for the rest of the painting, so it will kind of balance itself out. So the background needs to be crazy as that. It needs to be. I know it doesn't make sense, but it looks like crazy abstract, like a headache, but like an explosion or something. But yeah, it will make sense once I start to put the main characters on. Okay, now it needs drying. I'm going out to fetch a coffee and have a little break with Snoopy, and yeah, once it's dried, then we will continue.
Humma, 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 hey, humma, humma, hey.
Well, no comments needed, right? But yeah, it just instantly makes me feel better. Hum, 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 hum. Humming is very good to connect with this energy, this healthy, beautiful life substance, this energy. And you can hum in many different ways. Hello, 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 hello. It feels so good. It feels so good when you can shout. And this humming is one of the best ways how to teach yourself to shout beautifully. So the background has dried, and the next stage is to just trace what we draw with the pencil, which will be the main figures. And we are gonna first of all highlight them with the white.
As you could tell, I felt pretty excited working on this painting. I just love bright colors and to paint people. And it is this far, but I will need much more time as it is at the stage where I am adding a lot of detail. So I will leave you for now to continue work on it and show you the progress next time. Will it be finished? Maybe. We shall see. But now, if you missed it, watch how I transform this place into my dream art studio in the video pinned on the screen. And thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing, and yeah, see you next time.